Hello and welcome to my channel. Welcome to the DigitalBlackmagic channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create Windows 10 installation media using Microsoft's free tool, the Media Creation Tool. Without further ado, let's go to the PC and I will show you how. At first, we will need to download the Media Creation Tool. Therefore, you can choose any internet browser and go to Google or Bing, for instance. In the search engine, you search for Windows 10 download and English. Google offers the first link to a Microsoft page saying Windows 10 ISO download. ISO is a CD image, so it is an installation media, and that is exactly what we want. We will find the Media Creation Tool just here. On Microsoft's page, you have the option to upgrade the current PC or to get a download link to the software itself. I select the download link and save a little program onto my hard disk. This program is the Media Creation Tool. I execute it once it has been downloaded. Then of course I have to agree to the changes made to my computer, which is the admin privilege dialog box. Now the Media Creation Tool is preparing things. Of course, we have to agree to a license agreement. What I do here. Then the program asks again, like the website did, if I want to upgrade the current computer or create installation media. This is perfectly fine because the program has nothing to do with the website we downloaded the program from. The next dialog is quite interesting. The default values are taken off of the current computer. You can change that by unchecking that little checkbox in the dialog. Then you are able to select your language properly and your architecture, which is the old x86 or the new x64 for the latest computers we have. You can find information regarding your computer in your owner's manual or in the control panel system icon. Once you selected all the options suitable for your system, you click Next. Here you may select to create a USB key with the installation files on it or an ISO file which should be burned on a DVD after that. The USB key must be 8 GB in size. I selected the ISO file and it needs to be saved somewhere, so I have to name the file. The final step of the Windows 10 Media Creation Tool is to download the actual files. And that is what happens now. This takes a while. It will download around 4 GB of data. How long it actually takes is depending on your internet speed. I did a time lapse on that to speed it up. When you download an ISO file, you get the option to burn it to a disk. In my case, I don't want to do that, so I leave the Media Creation Tool. Thanks for watching my video on the Media Creation Tool. There is another Media Creation Tool for Windows 8. It works similarly. If you liked the video, please leave a like. I would be happy to see you again, so please subscribe to my channel. I will see you again very soon and wish you a nice day.